welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is May 20th, 2025, and we're diving into Freightos' first quarter earnings report. Freightos, a leader in the digital freight booking industry, has just released its Q1 2025 results. Joining us today is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited to discuss Freightos' performance and their strategic initiatives in the global freight industry.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Freightos reported a revenue of $6.9 million for Q1 2025, marking a 30% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this impressive growth?
Freightos' revenue growth is primarily driven by the addition of Shipsta and strong organic performance from their SaaS solutions and customs clearance services. The web cargo platform also continues to show solid growth. Their non-IFRS gross margin improved to 73.7%, indicating effective cost management and operational efficiencies.
Despite the revenue growth, Freightos reported an IFRS loss of $4.5 million. How should investors interpret this?
While the IFRS loss is notable, it's important to consider the adjusted EBITDA, which improved to negative $3.0 million from negative $3.6 million in the previous year. This improvement reflects Freightos' focus on scaling their platform and investing in growth opportunities while managing expenses.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of -10s for Freightos, but the company reported an adjusted EPS of 5 cents. John, what does this tell us about Freightos' performance?
This is a significant beat on the EPS forecast. It demonstrates Freightos' ability to manage costs effectively and improve their bottom line, even as they continue to invest in their platform and expand their market presence. The fact that they exceeded expectations with only one analyst covering them highlights their strong execution.
Strategic initiatives and market position. Freightos has been making strategic moves, including the launch of their Freightos Enterprise Suite. How does this position them in the market?
The launch of the Freightos Enterprise Suite is a major milestone. It unifies shipping procurement, booking, and execution processes, making it a comprehensive solution for large importers and exporters. This positions Freightos as a leader in digital freight solutions, especially as they have minimal exposure to China-US trade flows, which is a significant advantage given current trade uncertainties.
Freightos also reported a 25% increase in transactions and growth in the number of carriers on their platform. What does this indicate about their market traction?
The increase in transactions and carrier growth to 71 carriers reflects Freightos' expanding network and the growing adoption of their platform. This growth is crucial as it enhances their market position and provides a solid foundation for future revenue growth.
Financial outlook and risks. Freightos has maintained its full-year outlook. What are the key elements of their financial guidance?
Freightos expects full-year revenue between $29.0 and $30.6 million, with adjusted EBITDA ranging from -$10.9 to -$10.2 million. This guidance reflects their confidence in continued growth and operational resilience, despite potential risks from trade policy changes and broader economic uncertainties.
What are the main risks that Freightos is monitoring?
Freightos is closely watching trade policy changes, potential freight rate volatility, and economic uncertainties. These factors could impact their operations, but their strong balance sheet and strategic initiatives position them well to navigate these challenges.
Key takeaways. In summary, Freightos has delivered a strong performance in Q1 2025, with impressive revenue growth and a significant EPS beat. Their strategic initiatives and market position provide a solid foundation for future growth. John, any final thoughts on Freightos as an investment prospect?
Freightos is well positioned in the digital freight industry, and their continued growth and strategic initiatives make them an attractive investment. However, investors should remain mindful of the potential risks from global trade uncertainties.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Freightos' performance in the comments below. Until next time.